Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Solidworks Tips and Tricks. In today's video, we will going to see how to use or create a sketch with the help of sketch tools in Solidworks, and also we will see how to trim the sketch as per our requirement. So we will start with the file, new, then I will select a part. In that I will go for a part and OK. So basically this is my graphical window, this is my triode, and this is a feature manager design tree, and this is a task pane which I have explained in our uh, SolidWorks introduction user interface introduction video. So we will start with our sketching mode. So for that, first you have to select. Basically there are different command manager tabs are there. In that, in sketch you will see sketch, smart dimension, and all the sketch tools and other advanced tools as well there. So we will today we will see how the draw particular how to draw with the help of these tools, and uh, how to start with the sketching mode. So for that you have to first select a sketch from this window. The by default front, right, and top plane will see here. Now in that you have to select on which plane you have to create a sketch. Now I am creating on a front plane. Now I will start with my line tool. So here you will see line, center line, mid line. If you draw a line, there are basically two methods: click and drag method. So first we will see click method. In that you have to select first point and then select second point. We will continue it. So this is a click method. Other one is a click and drag method. In that, my first point is this where I have clicked. Then sorry, my first point is click. Then I will drag, and then release the mouse button. Then it will create your line. Means first click, one click, and then drag. That's it. So as per your hands-on, you can select which method is better. For my, I will go for a click method. So this is line command. Now we will see next in line. Sorry, sketch is executed. Okay. Now in line there is a center line command is there, in which you can create a center line also. Okay. For exiting the command, you need to select escape, or you can click right and go for select. For a midpoint, you have to select the midpoint, and then automatically line gets created. Then I will click OK. If you go for escape, the command will escape, or right click and select. Both way you can do. Basically, this is a multi effect. You can select one command from here also. You will see that in further settings. So three commands are there. Then you will go for rectangle. In that, corner rectangle is there. So basically, you need to select the command. You see here, corner rectangle means first is my one corner and second is the other corner. And here shaded sketch contour is selected, which shows which actually help you to sort out close profiles. Means whenever you have created a sketch and you want that should be closed, if you click this option, then it will show only profile is get closed, so you will get idea about profile is open or not. Then second one is a center rectangle. In that I will have to select a center point, and then other point is a corner. If you see here, you will select see on every tool there is a points are there. Basically for center rectangle, center point is there and corner point is there. So basically that indicates the clicking points. Whatever points on the particular tool is there, that indicates the clicking point. So this is my center rectangle, then 3-point rectangle. This is my first, then second, and this is my third. So this is how you can create. Now for 3-point center rectangle, my first point, second point, and third point. So and last point is a rhombus. So first, second, this. So this is how you can create a sketch. Now other one is a slot. In that state slot is there. For that you will select first point, second point and third point. Now for center, second and third. Now some circular arc 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically this is how you have to create it. By then the arc, this, and I want that much, this and this. This is how slot command is there. For dimension we will say in next session how to create a dimension on all. So after that we have created this slot command. Now as per our model we will going to use this command. Basically in this I will just introduce you the sketch tools whatever we have. In circle you have to select the circle first point and then second point. For 3 arc circle you can select first, second and 3. So is passing 3 circles. Okay, then right click select, so it will skip. Then center arc first, second, third. So this is my arc. Then tangent arc for that, yeah, first and second. Then 3 point arc first, second and this is the third one is the direction point. Okay. Then polygon, for polygon first and second. So in this you can define a number of corners and the diameter or radius of that inscribe circle. If you want circumscribe then you will outside circle. So this is then spline. That spline thing we will continue in our next means in advanced topics where we have going for surfacing. Then ellipse. Okay, then ellipse. For ellipse you have to select first point, then minor major axis and this is the third. So this is how you can create it. Partial ellipse first, second, third. It's my partial. Then parabola first, second, third. So this is my parabola. Then conics first point, second point and last one is third point. So this is my conics. For fillet we basically fillet tool is there but we can't use that more often because of fillet is actually in manufacturing process fillet are given at the end. So in future we can directly apply fillet, but how to apply in sketch, for that you have to go for sketch fillet and just need to select a corner or two edges. So this is how you can apply fillet. Similar for chamfer, you can select a corner. There are different angle, distance angle options are there, so you can apply it. Then we have text. For that you need a one line or curve whatever it is, and here you can put what text you want. Here you can see you can adjust the height and all things here. We will see that in our one of the example key how to apply that. Okay, then we have point, which is to create a whole, not means or a pattern, sketch pattern thing. So you can, so this is how you can use the tools to create a different sketches. Now there one more command is there, trim. In that there are basically 5 options are there. For that I need to create one scenario. Say this is my body. Yeah. So So these are my profiles. Now in trim there are basically five tools are there. Mostly power trim and trim to closet are popularly used. So in power trim you just need to drag the surface, so it will automatically cancel up. Let's see, I want this to be cut and this to be cut. So this is my close one. Now this is power trim. Means you need to just drag the hold the mouse key and drag the key. And in trim to close it, you just need to select that entity which you want to trim. For that, let's say I want to trim this edge, so I will just select this here. You have to select each and individual entity. So power trim you can select multiple at one time. In corner, yeah, for corner you can, let's say I have clicked this, so my outside corner gets cancelled. So you can go for this, and here you can use the control Z command also to use this for undo purpose. Now other things are there. Trim away inside and trim away outside. Basically those require a boundary as well as means, let's say I will go for a trim away inside. If you see here, it will show inside trim, inside part is got trim. So first I need to select a boundary and then I will select edge, so inside part will automatically gets out. Control Z. And similarly for trim outside boundaries, and you can select any, so it will trim outside the boundaries. So this is how trim and sketch tools are going to use. Now in further session we will start with our normal part, means basic simpler part with the sketch as well as a feature. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts you can comment down in below. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel.